Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I have a research email and the LinkedIn n8n workflow template where we can scrape their LinkedIn profile and the recent LinkedIn posts and their company website as well. So in that way we create and craft a personalized by combining all the information together and spreading out by creating a personalized email and the LinkedIn profiles. So by combining all this data, so we are going to send them researched and personalized email and the LinkedIn templates. So in this way, there are a lot of chances to close a deal with the client because that's their impression to feel about these guys have researched about us from recent updates, posts, and our companies, and they came up with the pain points and the solutions that they offer to us to improve the company. So in this workflow, we have a pain points and the talking points with the client, what they need, what are the solutions that we create by using their pain points. All these have been in the workflow. Just stick with me. I'll show you step by step from here. So let's start with the workflow by using the manual trigger. And you can see that the manual trigger is whenever we start with the workflow, we use as a manual trigger, and then we go to the Google Sheets here. The sheet is get rows. I already have one lead here. You can check here. I already have one lead here with the name Don Nestor and first name, title, company name, email outreach, and the LinkedIn. These are the two we are going to uh, update in this sheet. I already have run this workflow, so that's why I got the data here. Just one thing, we just remove this, and the reason that I take only one lead is to check whether it's working properly or not. So it's better every time you do just take one lead or two leads and try how it's coming out. That's a great way to not waste your credits. And then let's start with the workflow. So whenever I test this workflow, I got the first name or the whole thing that we saw in the Google Sheets. And the next one is to edit fields. We have a lot of fields here that was unnecessary. Let's try to remove those and just keep what we really wanted. And you can see here I kept the first name, last name, email, website, company, keywords, industry, and a personalized LinkedIn URL. So I just need these fields to craft a personalized and researched email and a LinkedIn templates. So let's test this step. And then the loop over items. So what is the use of the loop over items? So I only have one lead in the sheets. If we have more than one, then we need this loop over items because it will loop every lead in the sheet and get back updated in the sheets when it's done. So we have two options here, done and the loop. We need a loop option here, and then from there we need a LinkedIn scraper. We talked that before that we need to scrape their LinkedIn profile about to get the details about their company. And for this, I have used the Apify. You can see here, Apify has a lot of actors, maybe more than 5,000. I just took the mass LinkedIn profile scraper with email with no cookies. You can use this as well. It can be used by using the free trial. And we start with API here, and we should look up for the API endpoints. So the API endpoints, we have a bunch of tokens and the HTTP requests. So we need to choose wisely what we really want. So here we have the run actor synchronously and run actor synchronously and get dataset items. So if we run this, we just pass the input into the run actor and we just get the output, but we don't. And I'm just pinning these two because I don't wanna waste my free credits over here. So whenever we pin the data, it will get the output without running these two. And as I said before, edit fields is to merge this data that came from both here. And you can see the result of the recent post is undefined because we don't get any data from there. So don't need to worry about that. And get back to the HTTP request from the Perplexity. The reason behind using this is scrape their website. We have many scrapers. You can scrape traditionally by using the HTTP request from the get method, but I'm using Perplexity to get the best out of the data. So in this way, you can see here, you just need to import URL. You can just go to the Perplexity API and just go to the Perplexity API, and you can go to the API reference. Just you can see here the C URL. You just need to copy here, and it needs to be pasted here. Paste and import, and you'll get all these details. You don't need to be worried except the authorization. Authorization is the bearer and your API key. The API key will be in the Perplexity API section. You can grab it. You can create one. You can grab it one here, and the body is will be imported from here. It just you don't need to be change anything except the user content, what you really want to do. You just keep your website, and you can keep the content as get back all the data from this website. You just need to pull the website from here, and you just need to pull the website from here to here, and it will pull out all the data that is relevant to the it will pull all the data that is relevant to the workflow. And you can see a lot of data has been came from this node HTTP request of the Perplexity. And the merge node is to combine both the LinkedIn and the website data. So in that way, these both have been merged together and will be sent to the AI agent to discover what are the pain points and how we can solve their uh, pain points by our AI solutions will be all given to AI agent, and it will research Perplexity. First, let's see the Perplexity. It will research the Perplexity about what are the biggest pain points and challenges in their industry, including operational, financial, and the market related issues. So it will get all the information from the pain points and the talking points from their industry, from the particular industry. You just need to drag the industry from there. So you'll have here, so where we do in the edit fields we'll have the industry. Just check for the industry. I think we should have the industry here. Mm, yeah, you can see here the industry. You just need to pull back this here, and both industry and the keywords to the Perplexity will be a greater challenge. And we use this agent saying that use Perplexity to search the web for the biggest pain points and the challenges in the industry, and analyze uh, the both combined of the LinkedIn and the website data along with Perplexity, and generate 2 to 3 talking points, identify 1 to 2 potential pain points or challenges, prioritizing Perplexity findings. So in this way, this AI agent will search both Perplexity and OpenAI node, combine the data, and craft a personalized email and the LinkedIn. So these data will be more crucial. This output is more crucial, and this output will be sent back to the OpenAI node and saying that this is this is a system prompt for the email node. You are a market researcher expert preparing for a dynamic interview report. A brief introduction summarizing the lead's background, 3 to 5 talking points, 3 to 5 initial questions to ask them, and crafting a great email will be a key to success to get a deal closed. So in this way, we will use the OpenAI node to craft an email and uh, forgot to pin this because if we don't pin the AI agent gonna run forever and it will be a great waste of credits. So whenever you are going to test anything, just pin it and which are really API costs. Otherwise, you don't need to be. So I'll pin this data and it will create an personalized email and then LinkedIn and it will get back to the Google Sheets and update it. So this is how we are going to use this. So it's running. And same way you are using the LinkedIn prompt, you are professional outreach specialist, personalized LinkedIn message scheduled for an interview. And you can see the prompt here. And the node has, and again, it's better if you pin this. And the end, it's the LinkedIn profile we're going to execute. So this is a great method. It's a great way to execute each and everything and get back to Google Sheets with a fine and the crafted way. Just checking back here, you can see the email outreach. You can see subject and the body for the email, and for the LinkedIn here, subject and the body. So this is a great way of using this workflow for researched and the personalized email on the LinkedIn. This can be used for interview, podcast, everything. So this is a great way of demonstrating yourself as a great researcher and uh, getting a great impression from the clients. If you want me to post about Apify and the relevance AI, how to use them, if you want the tutorials, you just let me in the comments and try this workflow. I'll keep in the description. And if you want more like this regarding the lead generation, marketing, and also support, customer support, everything, and also regarding the sales, I'll help you with that. And follow me for more. Thank you.